How to add an account in WhatsApp. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily do this. First of all, open the application. Now, here on the right top, you can see this three dot icon. Simply tap on this three dot icon and on the bottom, tap on settings. So basically we in this settings interface. Here, you'll be able to find different options and even customize it. Here on the top, tap on account. Here on the bottom you can find add account. Tap on add account and on the bottom again tap on it. So this is the place where you can add a new account. Simply tap on continue and this is the login page. So you can add another account and easily sign in. So you can easily switch between two accounts whenever you want to. Thank you for watching this video. I hope this video will help you.